Folks, this is the incredibly private driveway entrance to 50 Carbeen Road in superb Diwan in the Daintree Rainforest. Now, 50 Carbeen Road boasts this incredibly beautiful timber built home here, set high up on stilts with plenty of room underneath. You can see 2 cars under there at the moment and scads more space available under there, and this incredibly beautiful guest cabin, all along with delightful and easily maintained grounds and gardens, and an absolutely superb surrounding of tropical rainforest, making it absolutely beautiful and extremely private. Let's have a look at this guest cabin though. You can see it's just a timber built, very well constructed cabin there, sitting on treated pine stumps and constructed from a lot of hardwoods, and the cladding type is western red cedar. Have a look when we enter into this room though. Really is beautiful. So all of this is ply walls and ceiling, and creates a really inviting and very nice bush timber cabin feel. Now, just a few steps from the guest cabin is the home itself, and this home really is a grand place of residence. The timber staircase here brings us up onto the expansive veranda, which, as you can see, opens up even wider there to a large undercover entertainment space. The home presents beautifully and has been maintained extremely well over the years. To get a good feeling of the size of this veranda, you can see here loads and loads of space for the barbecue, dining table, couches if you like, and much more. Perhaps the nicest part is that incredibly peaceful and relaxing bird song. So just here we can see this very clever and very quaint barn door style entry to the main living area of the home. As soon as you enter in though, it really is the feeling that you're in a quality home. It's all timber clad. It's absolutely beautiful. Much of the cladding in here is cypress pine, termite resistant timber. You can see the ceilings are lined with ply, and we have the beautifully polished pine flooring there. So you can see from here the length of the home. It is substantial. This beautiful large living and relaxation area connects seamlessly to the kitchen. Check out the kitchen though. Look at the quality of these bench tops. This is local timber, lovingly handcrafted into a masterpiece. Now, being in Daintree Rainforest, the home is fully solar powered, and it's a very nice feeling not receiving constant power bills in the mail. In here, this is bedroom number 1, and we can see it's a very nice size. Again, timber lined, timber ceilings, timber floor, with just a feature wall to offset it all. But A really beautiful bedroom with the ceiling fan there and the opening out onto the deck with the amazing views. Now this mountain we can see right here is Thornton Peak. That is Queensland's third tallest mountain and the largest mountain in the Daintree Rainforest. Let's head back in through bedroom number 2, taking note of the, once again, beautiful timber door there. Right next door is bedroom number 1, and we can see this one's a slightly larger in size. Again, beautiful timber features throughout, gorgeous floorboards, look at that. And once again, that beautiful, peaceful and relaxing view out to the rainforest and the mountains there. So there are Daintree homes and there are Daintree homes, folks, but this one really is very special. Being a raised home, it captures the breezes and uses natural cooling. No air conditioning needed here. The laundry here leads out onto its own little landing and to a second staircase leading down into the yard, and the power shed is right there, and then from here we can also see the septic tank. We can get a good look at the timber construction of this home. It's all been done very, very well. Beautiful home, stood the testament of time. Back in through this expansive storage area here, and storage is not been left out in the design of this home. Plenty of it there. We've got the separate loo in here with, again, its own rainforest ventilation and exquisite views. Once again, timber doors everywhere we go. Really is a beautiful statement of blending in with the forest, this home is. Look at the bathroom though, it's really a very nice modern setup in here, and again looks out into the rainforest. Now from here we can descend down the rear steps of the laundry and have a decent look at this yard. The yard is a very sensible size, and certainly you're not going to be a slave to this yard, but enough space to spread out and enjoy some wide open spaces without the high maintenance. Now just over there we can see the water tank. Now this is a decent sized water tank, 11,000 litres. You can see it collects Daintree rainwater off the roof there, and Daintree rainwater, without exaggeration, is as good as bottled water. It is unreal. Just down the side there we can also make out the gas bottles. The gas is for the cooking and the hot water. We can see the hot water system up there, and from here we get an idea of the height of the underneath here and also the amount of space. So there's just a few items there that will be taken away before sale day. But yeah, certainly no slouch on space. Now just going past the driveway entrance and the guest cabin again, we just sneak down and have a look down here. This property is tiered and does have workable areas. You can see this beautiful veggie patch area here, and then beyond, further down, is another tiered area or flat section, which has the beginnings, if you like, of another cabin. fruit trees here. There are a number of fruit trees here, all of them looking very healthy. And then we've got the passion fruit vine here, but just beyond the gardens, this tall wall of Daintree rainforest really is nice. Okay, so just a quick look here at the power setup. There is a petrol generator there, which is really just used for backup because the solar panels on the roof of the property charge up these batteries here and effectively run the whole home via this inverter, which turns the 24 volt battery power into 240 volts and is hardwired through the home. That is your regulator there and your various switches there. Over here we can see the safety switch set up and the additional fuse switches. So there you go folks, 50 Carbeen Road, just a beautiful timber home tucked deep into the rainforest in the amazing suburb of Diwan or Diwan. This property is on the market, owner is serious about selling. If you would like to set up an inspection of this gorgeous property, please give me a call. Mark Whittam, Daintree Region Sales Specialist for Rain and Horn Mossman and Port Douglas. Thanks for watching.